this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. What is coming next in this week for your love life, for your career, your money, your education, friends? This is a charms reading, yes, friends. And please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot, friends. Please do subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed. Many angel blessings to you, friends. Before we begin, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is for this week, but you can take it for any time you want to watch it. It will still resonate and help you out. And friends, here are the charms, and this is a big week because we are just I'm filming, recording it on the full moon. So happy full moon. So this is for the week of 7th to the 15th of June 2020. So this is a powerful week because this is the week between two eclipses. We have one here, then another one will be coming, and Mercury will be joining the retrograde of the planet. So a lot is happening, and I know you want to know how it will affect you. So let's begin. Let's take do join us on Instagram, friends, as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. It's showing on the video also, www.magicventstarot.com. Friends, relax. Let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, and choose option 1, this beautiful pink leaf. Option 1. Option 2, this beautiful yellow leaf. Option 3, this hot pink leaf. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section below so you can directly skip to the number that you have chosen, friends. This is a charms reading, so don't worry about the charms. I will be pulling the charms at the end of the at the end of this reading. So for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful baby pink leaf, let us see how this week will be for you. Here are the bags of charms. Let's see, these are your romance angels messages. The advice for this week for you. Wow, your cards are the King of Cups. Ooh, yummy. The Seven of Cups. The King of Rods. Oh my God. 2 kings, huh? The 5 of Swords, the 9 of Pentacles, the 9 of Wands. Wow, again the repeating numbers are coming. 9. You also have the number 7, Patience, and number 10, Rebirth. Wow, this is very interesting, friends. Very interesting. So let's see what is happening for you this week. I feel a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person will be important for you this week. Or if you are a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, this is an important week for you, friends. I feel you are trying to this week you are trying very hard to focus on your work and get out of a past situation. I feel you are, especially in love, I feel you are trying to move ahead, or you have moved ahead of a past hurt, of a relationship. I think some friends and family also have been, not doing you right. I feel some friends, some family, or a loved one has hurted you, and I think that person, it will be on your mind, that person, but I think you are trying to move ahead of them. I feel there will be choices in love for you this week, but your main focus is on career. You just don't want to deal with love right now, or your mind is set. I feel your mind is set regarding a relationship. Like, I feel a past person could come back and offer you a cup of love. They might message you, they might want to talk to you, but I think some of you just don't want to deal with them. just don't want to deal with them. In fact, you will be confused why this person is coming back, why they want to talk to me, why now, all those things. I also feel some of you could be getting two people. Someone from your past is on your mind, and another new person, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, is coming towards you. I feel you're very focused, you're very, very passionate. You want things like now, in this now. You don't want to wait, you don't want to waste your time this week. And I feel you will be very focused, whether it is in love or whether it is in your career. You know what you want and you know how to get it. That's the energy. You know what you want. And I feel there is definitely someone who was not choosing you in love in the past. That person will be coming towards you and they will try to win you back. They have ghosted you, they have blocked you. I think some of them have already messaged you or they will be this week. But I feel you will choose yourself. You will not be wasting your time on them. You will be choosing yourself, your work, your own choices, or someone else. You will be choosing someone new, I feel. And your mind is set. Your mind is set. You are like, I know what I want and I will value it. We will look with the charms, but this is what I'm getting with the cards right now. For those who are already in a relationship or they are married, oh my God. You will have a tough time finding whether to follow your intuition, like your emotions or your mind. You want to follow both things, your emotions, your logical mind. You may feel caught between that. I feel if you are married, you may feel very emotional but your partner may not, or your partner may feel very emotional but you may not. So this is it is like a contrasting of energies, and it may cause some communication blocks between you and your husband and wife. Or if you are in a relationship, it may cause some problems, communication issues. But I feel you will be able to recover. You will be able to recover from the communication blocks, and your marriage, your relationships are strong. I see that most of the week you will be focusing on yourself. You will have choices in love, in work, and also whether to follow your heart, your mind, your passions. I think you will choose your passion, you will choose your mind, your logical side. I also feel some of you are going through a painful ending. Something has ended and you are still feeling bad about it. There is a relationship which has ended, or some, maybe an ex-husband, wife, or a friend that a friendship that has gone sour. It will be coming back, or you are trying to process it. I feel you're trying to process that, what you can. It will be on your mind. The past issues will be on your mind, but you have recovered from them, and you will find something, some value of something valuable in that lesson. I think some of you had been through tough endings, tough situations in love, and I feel you are going to discover something new or some spiritual lesson or something rewarding in that situation. I feel some of you could definitely be getting two partners. One is from the past, which a friend, a lover, a ex-husband or wife, and someone new is also there. So you have choices, but I feel you will be choosing yourself rather than others. I also feel you need to be patient, especially if you are married and want to expand your family and want to get pregnant. I think this is a time to take your relax, and because you are on the right path. You are on the right path. So you may want things to happen like now, 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 now. I can see that energy in you, like you want that now. I want this now. But I think universe is trying to slow you down this week, like, yeah, it's all happening, baby, it's all happening, don't rush. I think if you talk about career, you are so driven. In your career, nobody can stop you. Nobody, absolutely no one can stop you. You have your goals set, you have your mindset, and you are going to achieve what you want. You will be working extra hard this week. You will also be focusing on earning more, finding ways to bring more wealth into your family. I feel you may, if you are working, you may want to try new things in your work so that you can uh, make more money, or make more, you may start some new goals like a new YouTube channel, or maybe a new business, or a new job or something. But you will want to give your over the top, you will want to work too much on it, too hard on it. So angels want to remind you, take some patience, friends. Take some patience. You are doing your best. You don't need to be so hard on yourself. I feel if you are a student and you are young and you are asking about education or exams, I feel this will be a confusing week for you, because half part of you will not want to study, and the other half of your brain will say, "Oh, I can achieve." It's that energy where you want to not study and you also want to top the class or top your exams. So there is a contrast. You will have to be patient with yourself and follow your passion. I definitely feel there is a goal you are working for. Maybe you want to clear an exam or settle abroad or get that degree. I think you are on the right path. You are doing everything you need. It is going to happen for you. I also feel you need to be careful with friends, especially if you are young, or especially at your job. Someone could be behaving as your friend, but they are not. Some truths could be revealed this week because you have the rebirth. In love also, I think some secrets can come out, which were like someone loves you, they were not telling you, they may tell you. You may find a new person, or someone who is a co-worker, colleague, or someone you work with, your senior, junior, someone you study with. They could have feelings for you, and you may discover it this week, and it may you may not like it. I feel some of you may not like it, or you may be like, oh my god, really? Because this is like this soft pink energy, so it is beautiful. You have a lot going on this week. You need to slow down, I feel. Yeah, let's see your advice so we can look at the charms. I feel a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person will be important. In work, I feel you are waiting for some money to come in. It is going to come in, friends. You are on the right path. You are doing everything right. So trust yourself, and definitely be careful in sharing your ideas or sharing too much information with your people you work, or maybe your friends in education also, because I do feel some everyone is not really honest around you this week, and some sort of a ending. I feel someone from your past will also return back. Maybe a friend you lost, or a colleague who was not behaving well. Some past issue is still affecting, is on your mind this week also. Let's see your advice for this week. Wow, a new dawn. The worst is now behind you. Positive new experiences are on the horizon. So, absolutely, friends, new things are coming your way, and definitely this week is the start of all the new and good things in your life. I feel some past issues or some tears may still come this week. You may still cry a little for someone from your past, or maybe a friend, or maybe some relationship is making you, is tough right now. So you may still cry a little. Like an emotional week. You will feel like caught between your heart and mind. Let's see your romance angels. Wow, attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. I think you will be focusing on yourself this week, and that's exactly what you need to do, because the more you focus on yourself this week, the more others are going to get attracted towards you, especially a new lover and someone from your past is coming towards you. Let us see your charms, because I want to know what's going on here. There is so much happening. And yes, the hardships are over, friends. The tough things are over. You are in for a surprise. What's the number one for the week of 7 to 15th? How that week will be? So what's the number one? Wow. See? Oh my God. You got lots of charms. So we have the alphabet E, E, double E, A. Oh my God. Many E's came out for you. That's interesting. So I feel like the name could have double E, or maybe your name and your person's name has double E or something, a lot of vowels. So that is happening. I feel like someone wants to kiss you. You are also, this is a passionate week. You want someone like now, or someone wants you like now. I want to grab them and, kiss them, love them, or tell them how much I love them, something like that. But oh my God, see, this is the boxing glove. I told you, friends, I told you. You, there is a conflict going on. Someone from your past may return back and they may want to like feel very drawn towards you, very passionate, but you are like, nope. You are like in this Nine of Pentacles. I don't want to see your face. I don't want anything to do with you. Why you keep ghosting me? This is all lust. This isn't love. Or you may feel like, caught between your head and heart. You have the boxing gloves. Oh my God. I have never seen that charm. So even I'm surprised where they are coming from. I think angels have a way. We have a butterfly. Look at that. So, positive changes are coming, friends. This new dawn is absolutely here. Maybe someone from your past can return back, and it may worry you like this is the same thing will happen again. But I feel there is a chance of a new beginning because you have the rebirth. So something new can come out of that situation. And you also have fish. I feel this is about you feeling a lot of emotions. Or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person could be important. Here is the person. Owl. I feel owl is about you keeping, you are watching people. You want to know what they will do for you. You are keeping all your options open this week and you want to know what others are going to do for you. I think aeroplane, some of you want to study abroad or travel, or you want to go back to your home. I feel some of you are in a long distance relationship. The person you are, they live in some other city, country, um, and they could be news from the far could be coming towards you. I also feel some of you are waiting for some package, online shopping packages or something which are long due. I feel they are coming towards you definitely. And see, again this spiral is here. Something is going in spirals, in cycles. I think it will be resolved because you have the 10 of the rebirth card. The new dawn card is also here. It will frustrate you that something is going in cycles. It keeps repeating again and again. But I think there is a reason for it. There is a reason for some cyclic things happening in your life. Flower, I feel like you are shining bright this week. You have a lot of passion, you have a lot of energy. People are drawn towards you, people want to know you, and you will also get the choice to choose between lovers or opportunities. Three leaves. This is like third party situation. Some communication issues can happen, friends, because this is a very tough, not tough like complex weeks, because Mercury is about to go retrograde, so it is in the shadow of it. So you can have some confusions, trust issues with someone. Seven of coins, definitely, friends. You are working on your money. You just don't want to deal with any confusion this week. Doves, I think someone from your past wants to offer you an apology. And peace apology, peace offering, two of coins. I feel you will be feeling a little confused whether to trust this person, or if a new opportunity comes like for job, you are like, should I go for it or should I not go for it? There is also Mars. I feel that is how you feel. You feel powerful, you feel determined, and you want like things to move this week. Patience is not what you want, but patience is exactly the advice for you. Be patient, be calm. And you have February, so February might be important, or something may have happened in February, or maybe this person is born in February, or you are born in February. Seven of Wands, someone doesn't want to give up on a relationship. You are fighting, someone wants to fight for this connection that you have. UK might be important, Europe might be important in some way. And Kingfisher, wow, Kingfishers are extremely lucky. And Kingfishers are also like, they can go deep and find the fishes. They have a very sharp vision like the owl. So you're very lucky this week. You also have this blue bead. I feel this is the bead of Neptune, or Mercury, also communications. So focus on your communications. Just keep some patience. And that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. And if you want to buy your own personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. And do join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now. So for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful yellow leaf, let us see how this week from the 7th to the 15th of June will be for you, friends. This is a charms reading, friends. I have my bag of charms here. You have the romance angels. We're gonna look at them at the end. The advice for this week. Let's see your cards. This is a big week because I'm filming this on a full moon eclipse, and right after this week there is another eclipse, and there is also Mercury going into retrograde, and so this is that week where we plan, we prepare for the big things to come ahead. Let's see. Wow, Six of Cups, that's beautiful. The World, oh my God. The Five of Cups, the Queen of Swords, the Knight of Swords, and the Five of Wands. What's happening, friends? What's happening? And the Page of Swords, oh my God. And the Six of Swords, oh my God. Holy moly. Ordinariness, number 8, and completion. Wow, that's a big week, friends. You are in for a major, major week, and we will look with the charms what's going on. But let me just start for right now. Whew, this is a big week for you, friends. Let's talk about love. I feel there is a conflict going on, a fight going on with somebody, or it may happen this week, friends. Sorry to say, but I have to say it as I see it. I feel you could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini this week. I feel you are very sure of what you want. You know what you want. You want truth, you want communication, you want loyalty, you want happiness, you want commitment. I feel either you are already in a conflict with someone, or there is a chance that some communication issues may happen, conflicts may happen, arguments may happen this week. Sorry to say, but I feel you could be dealing with 3 people this week, like 2 people, like you, one person, and another person. So definitely I feel your relationships could be affected by third party situations. Other people may be interfering in your relationships. I feel you definitely feel you are missing someone. When you start this week, you are missing someone from your past. You want your lover back. You feel this person and you have not been in touch, or like you had been fighting, arguing a lot, but the love is not expressed, the emotions are not expressed, or you have not heard from this person in a long time. I feel this person is someone who feels you are their soulmate. You both feel like you are perfect for each other. You may have known this person since a long time. I feel like this is This is like a sweet connection, this is sweet romance, this is very romantic, but there is fighting going on. You don't see eye to eye with this person. I feel this person has put you in a third party, or they choose their work, their career, their studies, their family, their friends, and that is what they were not giving you what you wanted. So that is why the fight is there, or you feel like they have put you in a third party. I definitely feel if this is not yet happened, it may happen in your relationship this week. I also feel some of you want to, if you are in a conflict with a partner, or an ex-husband or wife, or an ex-lover, twin flame, you want to move out of it. You want change. You want to move out of it. You don't want to stay there, no matter how much you love this person, no matter how much you miss them, no matter how much you feel you are perfect. You want this happiness. You want this sunshine, and you somehow you have understood that for you right now it is better to keep some distance with this person. You might be doing just that. I think this person wants to come towards you. They will be messaging you, or they will be coming to your city, or they will be asking your friends and family, common friends or colleagues. If you are co-workers, they will be asking them to meet you or what you are doing. They will be stalking your social media. But I feel like you want to you want some space from this person, because the conflicts are going on. You do not see eye to eye. This person keeps disappointing you, and you are done. And they are also very egoistic, or they are also very logical right now. They are not using their emotions at all. If they still, I will clarify with the charms, but if they still come, there might be age difference between you both. If they still come with this energy of the mind, or my way or the highway, you're not going to accept them. You're not going to accept them. You want you want some distance between this person and you. I feel you will be taking your time on yourself. You will be focusing more on yourself, on everyday life, on, waking up, making dinner, lunch, doing your work, doing your job. But you don't want to deal with this person this week, because if you talk with them, they start fighting. If you are married to this person, I feel someone else, a third party, can affect your marriage or relationship. If you are married or in a committed relationship with this person, a third party, like you both are king and this, you both are married, but there is another friend or another person or someone from their past, ex friend, girlfriend, ex lover, or a friend or a relative. They can cause trouble in your marriage, or communication blocks, a family member. But I feel you will be creating space. You are like, nah, I don't want to deal with this is too much drama. You will say no to drama. You will keep yourself, you will move to yourself. I think some of you could be blocking a few people this week. Sorry to say that, friends, but I see that you will be like blocking a people, or just keeping away from social media also, because there is too much energy. You want to focus on love. You want to focus on happiness. I think some of you could also be missing someone you lost, like your grandparents. You are missing them. You will feel a lot of strong connection with them, your grandmother, your grandfather, or your aunt or uncle, or maybe a pet that you have lost. You will be missing them, and you will feel their love. You will feel their love and affection. In work, I feel something new is coming towards you. You are done with your present job or your work, and you want change. You want massive change in your work and career. I think some of you could be joining some communication courses, workshops, or you could be learning new technology, or you could be learning, like, um, professional, like some language, or like maybe you are learning English. I don't know, some, I feel like you are learning something new, and building new contacts in work, so that because you want change, you are not happy where you are working, you want expansion. And this week you will be planning a lot. You want to move towards something. I feel some of you want to go to Europe, or you are already there. Europe, USA, Canada, Russia. You want to move from there, or you want to study there. There is something that I feel you will be able to do that online rather than actually going there. You might be joining a course, learning something online, a webinar, a workshop. That is going to happen. I see that you will be focusing more on your work and moving away from drama, challenges, everything else. You are like, no, I don't want to deal with it. You want to plan your job, your work. If you are a student, definitely, friends, be careful. If you are in love or if you like someone, I think third party conflict can happen. If you are very much in love with someone, there might be some conflict happening between friends or from your family. If you want to join a course, your parents may say like, no, you cannot. Or maybe you yourself are not happy with what you are doing right now. So I think stay calm, friends, stay calm. Focus on your everyday job. Try to become perfect rather than changing your surroundings. That is about this week. It is like, you do not step out of the circle, but you change yourself. You learn something new and it automatically changes your life. Completion, definitely you feel like something is missing from your life this week. Maybe it is some person from your past, maybe it is a grandparent, maybe it is a pet dog or a pet you may lost, maybe it is a lover or a job or an education or something. You feel like something is missing from my life. How can I get it? I think you are going to get it. You are on the right path. You are moving forward. Just stay patient and don't interact with drama. Drama alert is here. Someone, people from your past are coming. People who are strong, who want to know you, they are coming, but you may not see eye to eye with them. Let's see your advice card. Let yourself receive, allow others to give you loving care, receive without guilt or apologies. I definitely feel you want to receive a lot of love and blessings, but you feel like currently those blessings are not coming your way. I think you are doing everything right. It's just a matter of time. You are on the right path. Good people are coming your way. Helpful people in your job, in your career, and love are going to come. Conflict will end. You just need to be, you are on the right path. Don't be so hard on yourself. Let's see your romance angels message. Retreat. It is time to disconnect from the world. I told you, friends. You won't be doing social media. You won't be talking a lot with your lovers. You want to focus on yourself. If anyone is bringing drama into your life, you are like, no, I am my happy bee. I will focus on myself. Let's see your charms so we can get more idea. I feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person this week. For pile number 2, how this week will be for pile number 2? Okay, my rings often get caught. Alright, wow, see, let's see your alphabets. So P and G, P and G are important for you. That's very specific. P and G, and we have this this trumpet horn with the time. I think what you are missing is coming towards you. That news, that message, or that love notification, that text, it is coming, friends. Or that announcement of a job. I think some of you could be waiting for a license or a divorce to happen, or not like a divorce, it's like some official announcement you are waiting for, permissions to happen. It is coming, friends. You are on the right path. It's going to happen for you. Some of you want to travel, expand your horizons. That is going to happen. I feel someone could be traveling towards you. You know, someone who knows you, maybe a friend wants to meet you and make things better, or maybe a lover, a long distance relationship, someone wants to contact you, meet you. Passion, yeah, someone has a lot of passion for you, and this is the soulmate. You are missing that person, and they are also missing you. But I don't know why you don't see eye to eye with this person. There is a energy of competition. There is a lot of energy of fighting. Yeah, if you are a student, there will be a lot of competition. You will like quickly you want to overachieve, friends. And yes, you will be working. This is the flowering lady, the lady with the water for the garden. So you will be working on your dreams. You don't want anything else this week. You want to nurture yourself, and you want to be with people who understand you, who give you love, who give you compassion. This is the flower. I think you could be dealing with flowers this week, or gardening, or maybe some green tea. You know, you don't, there is stress in this week for you. So you don't want that. You are focusing on yourself. You are focusing on gardening, drawing, music, painting, art, all those things. There is this wheel of fortune here, and also the commitment ring also if you want. So marriage or your commitments could be tested. Your patience could be tested this week, but I think you are doing fine if you just maintain some space. This is about, this is about things changing, emotions changing. I feel someone wants to talk to you. Someone wants to talk to you, and there is this, someone is also missing you, and there has been an energy of fighting, third party situations. They want to resolve it. And this is the drum beat, so notifications are coming your way. You will find like all the people want to talk to you now. All your friends, your family, everyone wants a bit of you. Let's see why it. Yeah, your focus on this week is about peace. You want peace. September could be important, like you are born in September or your person is born in September. Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person could be important this week. We also have April, so something may have happened in April or September. Doves, yeah, I think you want peace. You don't want to deal with drama. You don't want to deal with conflict. You don't want to deal with loss. You don't want to deal with third party situations or any drama with family, friends, eagle. That's what you are going to do. You are going to focus on your work, yourself, and take a higher perspective. Giver, see, this is why you need to step away this week, because you are giving too much of your energy. You are doing a lot, and you are this beautiful queen who is, or king, who is giving a lot of love, affection. You are trying to understand everybody, especially if you are a mother, you are married, or you are a father, you have children and family. You might be draining yourself, looking after everyone and forgetting yourself. So don't do that. Take some time this week for yourself. Eight of Wands. Definitely you already have the Five of Wands, so things will be getting better. Things will resolve by the end of this week. Again, see, hope is here. So yeah, stay hopeful. Things will get better. Definitely. You also have Six of Wands. That is like progress, and what you say, like success coming your way, success and recognition in your work coming your way. You also have fated. Yeah, something is fated. You know what you are missing? It is going to come your way. You are missing something, whatever it is. Maybe it is like you are single, you want to get married, but you have not met the right person. I think something is fated, something is going to show. The missing pieces are going to show themselves this week. So rest, relax. Don't worry. Eight of Cups. Yeah, there is the Five of Cups. You are missing someone from your past. You may have thought you will marry them, or it was a fated connection. There is again the Prince of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. We already have this card here. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. The same charm, the same card has come. Again, see, Green, a lot of your focus is on healing yourself, friends. This week is about healing dolphins. I feel you should indulge. I told you, you should do things which make you happy. Some of you should bring some flowers or connect with nature, drawing, art, painting, music. Maybe you should learn some music, singing, whatever you enjoy, focus on that. And the kingfisher. So, definitely, I feel luck is with you, and whatever you are missing, it is going to come your way. And I do feel romance is here because there is this kissing lips. So definitely some sort of a romance is coming for you, but I think it will start next week rather than this week because you are in this energy of taking time for yourself. That's beautiful, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share. Magic Wednesday Tarot, friends. Please do subscribe. Thank you if you have already. Joined us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. To buy a personal reading, please visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com, friends. And if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website. Do let me know in the comment section if this reading resonated with you. Let's see, for those who chose option number 3, how your week from the 7th to the 15th of June will be. This hot pink leaf, this is so beautiful and so hot. I mean, like, it's really hot and pink. This is your romance angels cards. We're gonna look at them in the end. Your advice for the week. We'll also be pulling the charms. I have a full bag of charms here. Let's see your cards. The page of cups, the queen of cups, ooh, the 3 of swords, the hierophant. Let's keep it here. The fool, interesting, very interesting. Let's just keep it here for now. And the 6 of pentacles, oh my god, the emperor, friendliness, number 2, and playfulness. Oh wow, I feel you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person this week, or you could be dealing, you could be yourself Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is beautiful. I feel this week, you know, someone has hurted you, someone has put you in a lot of pain, or you are feeling sad about something this week, but I think it is going to be resolved. This is something you are carrying from the past, some hurt, some pain. You feel like you had been, an opportunity is lost. You feel like, I think someone is missing you, friends. Someone is absolutely missing you. They had been immature in the past. This person could be, and you could be in a same sex relationship, or you could be in a relationship, or like you had dated them, liked them, loved them, but they were immature. They were immature, they were not ready to accept love or offer you some commitment or love or friendship. It could be a new romance for some of you, like it started, you know them, but like they hurted you, they were not ready. I feel there is age gap between you and this person, and maybe cultural difference. I feel one of you lives near rivers or water, and you have some age gap between you and some distance between you and them. I feel, you know, this person is missing you. This person is missing you. It could be an ex-lover, husband, wife, twin flame, or a new crush, or a friend with which things didn't work out. This person is missing you, and they are trying to mature themselves. They are trying to become this emperor or the empress for you. They want a new start with you this week. They definitely want to come back towards you and offer you something. They will definitely try to talk to you or offer you, or at least they are thinking about you, that's for sure. This person is thinking about you, they want to know you. And I also feel, if you are single, you could be meeting someone who's quite, you know, either, I think you could be meeting two people. One is very young and the other one is very dominating, very strong, very proud. If you know, so they are contrasting energies. If you are single, you could be meeting two people, so it may cause you some conflict because you are like, I mean, like, why can't love be perfect? You want to know that? Because one is immature, the other is too overconfident. So you are a bit like, oh, you are like, oh my god. But I feel both the people who are coming towards you, they have some contract with you, they have some spiritual contract, and they are there for in your life for a reason. I think one of this person could end up marrying you, or there will be some sort of a strong friendship or soul relationship with this person ahead for you. I also feel if you are married and having some issues in your marriage, like things were not going well, third party situations were happening, you felt hurt, you felt there was a lack of emotions in your marriage, your husband or wife was not giving you value, they were not giving you time, I think a new start will happen. A new start is going to happen, and it will give you a relief. It will be like, oh, finally things are back on track, because there is a two of cups of happiness, and someone loves you, likes you, you also like someone. They are going to come and offer you this happiness. I feel for others, I feel like, there will be I feel like there is this, you are looking for some emotional maturity this week. You don't want like just a love offer if you are single or with a twin flame. You want commitment, you want their loyalty, you want their time, and I feel you are going to get it. You are going to get that in your love. Someone wants to offer you this rose, this commitment, their loyalty. It is coming for you. It is coming for you, friends. For work, I feel like, for work you are waiting for some sort of a permit or permission, or maybe a promotion, or some of you could be getting a promotion or some sort of a recognition award or something like that. Some house issues are also happening, friends. I feel like there are some house issues, like if you are renting a home or you want a bigger home, or some formalities, paperwork regarding house, home, permissions. If you are a businesswoman or a businessman, some sort of a permission is needed, or you need to take some permissions. All those things will work out in your favor. I feel this is a very positive week for you. From all the pile, this is the most positive for you this week. I feel in your career you are going to feel like a leader. You are going to feel like you should take charge of your work and career. You may have to do work for other people, like you have to take charge of your boss or your seniors, or yourself get promoted, so you are doing the job. It is a good week for you, especially in your career. You will feel very connected with your career and money. You may feel money is coming slowly, but I think it will more than satisfy you because you feel emotionally connected with your work. And you will know that, yeah, this is you will feel hopeful toward your future in your career, like, yeah, things will work out. There is hope, something better will happen for me. I also feel if you are a student, you could be finding better friendships this week, or some friends you lost on the way. If some friend was not talking to you, or there was a misunderstanding, it will be resolved. It will be resolved. Friendships will be, hearts will open, and talks will, start again. I also feel if you are a student, you should watch out on exercising and walking, because I feel like you may study too much or you may work too much, and even in your job, I feel like you are not going to exercise at all this week, or you just don't have the time. You might overeat or overdrink, overwork yourself, or you might not even remember to work out. So you might have to work out this week. I feel if you are a student, there is definitely this energy of, you could be joining back your colleges or universities, or some sort of a degree is being awarded to you, or some award is coming towards you, that is also there. If you are dealing with any sort of permits, awards, official papers, that will go well for you. Playfulness, I feel you feel very connected. You feel like, yeah, this week the load is shifted from your heart, your shoulders, your mind, and you feel like, yeah, you can relax. You can relax this week because things are working out for you. Let's see your advice for this week. Make a wish. This is a magical movement. Make a wish and enjoy its manifestations. Beautiful. This is beautiful, friends. This is a week. I told you this is a good week for you. Write your wishes, and you will have it. Make a wish, and it will come true because you are feeling very emotionally connected to things. You have a lot of love in your heart. You are ready for a new start. Let's see your love message, then we are going to look at your charms worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. I definitely feel, friends, there is a karmic situation or some sort of a karma is affecting a relationship. Someone was immature, or someone was in their ego or pride. They hurted you, but I think they will be coming back, and a new start will happen either this week or in the coming weeks, because your connection is very strong. You already are connected like Two of Cups. You are already together like this heart. You are both very beautiful connection. It's a very good connection, and you can make a wish and it will come true for you, so you have nothing to worry about. Pile number 3, angels. How this week will be for pile number 3. Wow. Lots of charms came out. Let's see. Lots of letters came out for you. There is anti. Oh, see, so many charms also. Some of the charms I have never seen. Wow. Wow. Whoa. So the letters are N, T, Y, double E, W, and O. So these are the letters. They may be in the name. I think you can make the name Tina. Not Tina, maybe Teeny. Maybe someone calls you Teeny, or like it's a pet name or something. You also can get teen. So maybe you are married and your children are teenagers, or you are a teenager watching this. So this week is good for you, friends, definitely. So letters are WOYTEN. Wow, we have this bow. So someone definitely likes you, they care for you, and they are going to show their affection and love. If you are looking for a baby or something, or pregnancy, I think you'll be lucky because we have the teen. So yeah, you'll be lucky. And if you are not looking for a pregnancy, please be careful. I would say please be careful. We have again, see that clock here, wow, and we have worth waiting for divine timing. So friends, timing is a big issue this week. If something, you are on the right path, you will feel it like, yes, things are happening for the right, and by the next week or by the end of this month, you will have everything you want. You have the peacock. I think someone has been very egoistic, and they were not, they were in their pride, they were in their this page of cups energy. They were pride, they were egoistic, but now they are going to come back. You have this green boot. It is about luck. It is about money coming your way. You also have the cross, something fated, the Hierophant, something fated, friends. God is with you this week. You have nothing to worry. You also have this lady with a water pot. So definitely you are busy working on yourself, on your goals, on your life. Crown, I think some sort of an award is going to come for you at your work or in your education, or maybe you are someone's queen or a king. And see, you also have the angel wing. Wow, this is beautiful. You have this angel wing. Oh my god, friends, this is absolutely your week. And you have the parrot. I think Parrots are also about, sweetness, talk, sweet talk, happiness, love, friendliness, friends, group of friends. I think this week you are going to connect or find some new friendships or new people. If you are a woman, you will connect with a woman or a girlfriend, and it is going to be a good friendship, maybe a lifelong friendship for some of you. Let's see what else. We have the flower. I feel you could be dealing with a twin flame this week. We also have a leaf. So someone is trying to message or reach out to you. And we have the butterfly. Yay. So changes, positive changes are coming towards you, friends. And this three leaf, I feel this is like this three of swords. Someone has hurted you, but it is being resolved. I feel it is being resolved. You also have this yin and yang, the twin flame charm. So definitely you could be dealing with a twin flame this week. Luck is with you, fortune is with you. You have number 77, you have number 55, and you have number 99. Oh my god, double numbers are a thing for you this week, and you also have number 1. This is beautiful, friends. This is beautiful. So 77, 55, 99, and 1. 555 777 999 could be coming important this week for you. Dreams, yes, your dreams are coming true, friends. Your dreams are coming true. Tiger, you are bold, friends. This week you are going to get your dreams. You know what you want, you are going to get it. And what else? Father, I feel some of you could, your father might help you. I told you authority might help you, or your husband's or your wife's father, or your family mother could help you out. There is also white. So some of you also, if you want to get married, your family can help you in getting married or finding the right connection. White is about peace. You are like, yeah, life is good. King of air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person could be important. Fated, it is a destined week for you, friends. You already have the cross, the angel wings, the boot, the wheel of fortune. The Queen of Air, you already have the Queen of Cups. So King and Queen are important for you. A couple is important. Or maybe some of you could be meeting your the person of your, you are going to end up with, marry with. Eagle, if you had ever been married, you could be meeting your ex-husband or wife, or your current husband or wife, or things getting better there, love, Two of Cups. Let's see. This is the Six of Wands. Definitely, friends, success is coming your way in work also. Definitely, you have nothing to worry about. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website, www.magicvanstarot.com, friends, and do join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.